Alright guys, welcome back to Ready Set Prep. We're doing a kind of just a food haul. I just want to show you guys some of the, this is some pantry stuff, this is some prepping stuff. So I'm just going to kind of dive in because some of the stuff needs to get refrigerated. So we shop at Sam's. These pre-made meals are amazing. I get these a couple at a time. They're just Alfredo with chicken in them. There's a beef enchiladas, there's macaroni and cheese. We get some stacked stuff, grandma's cookies for the kids, maybe for myself. Chicken breast, I get 2 large packs of chicken breast, 2 packs of pepperoni in here, and some lunch meat. I think this is ham here. Bread wise, we get the Hawaiian breads. We love rolls with all of our dinners. Hamburger, hot dog buns, a couple loaves of bread. Getting down into here, cheddar broccoli soup, I get a couple of those. Box of Cheez-Its, Spam. There's Prego in here. 2 different types of spaghetti sauce. Sam's has got a great spaghetti sauce, so we get a couple of those. We love these dynamic duo little potatoes. I also get some of these here. There's vegetable oil. I keep stocking up on it. I don't know if I need more, but I'll just keep getting more. A couple things of hot dogs here. Honey barbecue boneless, strips for the kids, another set of rolls there, some broccoli florets, brown rice, quinoa, kind of counterproductive. We get Reese's to go along with that. Just a couple of different meats. We like, cheeses and meats and crackers and stuff. So, green beans, corn, Marie Callender's chicken and dumplings, and chicken pot pies. I got a boneless Carver ham here. This is bacon here. A 2-pack of the Wright brand bacon, thick cut there. Hillshire's Farm, this is a 3-pack of those. These are Johnsonville sausage strips. I haven't tried them yet, but I love sausage and I love bacon strips, so I figured that's going to be good. Protein. This granola is for cereals. You could use it as a quick pick-me-up. We use it in a lot of our camping gear while we're scouting and hiking, things like that. Peanut butter back here. Pulled pork. We got pulled chicken. These are a couple trays of scalloped potatoes. Really good stuff there. This Red Lobster biscuit mix. Sandwich cheese, so this is just a Colby Jack. We've got tortillas, red potatoes, cubed cheese to go along with our little sausage and crackers that we like to eat. This is some natural peanut butter here, 2-pack of that. Nashville style hot chicken seasoning. I haven't tried it. I saw it at Sam's. I thought I'd get it. It was like $3. Some ranch. This is brown gravy. We use a lot of that. Syrup here. The organic white rice as well. We've got 3 6-packs of the white chicken breast, 2 12-packs of tuna. I think I mentioned the red potatoes. Some granola bars for the kids, myself. Olive oil. These little Vienna sausages are great after school lunch stuff, crackers and cheese type scenario. We love to have those. Beef broth for soups. Chicken broth as well. We use that. Buttermilk pancakes. We try to keep, something that's going to last a long time. This is more stable, shelf stable that I'm going for here. Tater tots. A couple of large bags of tater tots. We have no brown sugar in all of my preps and all of my pantry, so we're going to go ahead and, I think there's like 15 pounds between the 2 of them. So just another box of elbow and spaghetti penne noodles, a couple boxes of macaroni here. So, Quaker Oats. These are huge bags. This is a very heavy duty box of Quaker Oats. Those are good proteins, good filling. My mom used to say they stick to your ribs. I guess it's a nice way to say they'll put weight on you. So But yeah, that's just kind of my Sam's Club haul and what we're doing. There's an ice storm as we speak, kind of blowing through, and we're on the edge of a food shortage throughout the globe. We've got a war happening over between Russia and Ukraine, and it just looks like the supply chain's getting kind of broken up. So these are just kind of some of the things that I'm doing here to prepare for and add to my preps and just kind of fill some gaps. A lot of this stuff is eat during the week stuff, but some of this stuff will go long-term pantry. The Spam's gonna go, the biscuit mix, some of the macaronis and the beef broths, these Viennas here. We store soups and oats and, some more bacon, stuff like that. So if you guys like this quick little video, maybe subscribe, trying to put some content out there that everybody's gonna enjoy. I do recommend don't buy what you don't eat. If you guys are just buying things just to buy them, only buy what you and your family are going to eat and enjoy. And put what you can away. I think hard times are coming over the next handful of months. This being the 23rd day of February 2022. Gas is going up as we speak, so get it while it's hot, people. I appreciate it. Like and subscribe. At least hit the like button, share it with your friends, and I'll talk to you on the next one. Don't forget to Ready, Set, Prep. Bye.